So the next step was, I told you guys I wanted to add a bow to the shoe. So this is the bow. Now it was a hair bow, so this came with it. I already took it off. It was on the back like this, and now I'm just left with the bow. Now I went with this bow because it's very sturdy. I didn't want to use a satin ribbon because I wanted something that had a structure that will stay and wouldn't flop around. And this is the look that I wanted, just like that. Now in the last video, I stated that I was going to make it blue, but I thought about it and I'm not gonna do blue. Actually, I'm gonna keep it the same color as this. So when I wanna wear these shoes for another occasion, another time, I'm not restricted with the blue. And it's white, it has that rainbow effect as well, just like this. And it is cute as it is, it really is. But everything has to be blinged out on this shoe. I already finished the other one, you know how I do. So let me show you what that looks like. Here we go. Look at that, isn't that gorgeous? So from this to this. So this is what it looks like. I use the same 5 different stones from SS8 to SS30. And then I put on one of the buckles, the rhinestone buckles. That was in one of my other videos. I use that for the laces of my Converses. And I put the buckle in. I'll show you guys how I did that as well. And the buckle is a white diamond, but it looks so pretty with it. Now we're gonna go with the buckle. I will put a link in the description box where you can get these. I get a pack of them from Amazon. They come 15 pieces, 27mm round buckle. That's what it says on here. I hate the fact that it's 15. It should be 16. Let's keep it even, but hey. So this is what I use. So I'm gonna just read it through. Okay. So now it looks like that. Here, I'm gonna hot glue it back over here, and then it'll stay in place. Okay, so now it's time to place the crystals and show you. Now with the bow, I'm gonna start in the middle, right here. I'm running out of this. As you know, I use E6000 glue. My 3mm, which is my SS10. Starting with that. As far up, okay? And then I'm gonna go with the next size, which is a 4mm SS16, right next to it. Then I'm gonna go right back with the 3mm, which is the SS10. I'm gonna do that all the way down this strip. This is the only thing that's gonna be uniformed. I like this look a lot, especially when you have like a strip or something. Very easy when you already know where to place things. Okay, now that's done. So the only thing I'm gonna do is just push it down a little bit, make sure it's in that glue and secure. That looks good. Okay, so I'm gonna start in the corner here. Just apply some glue. I don't do a straight line or anything. I kind of do diagonally. Okay. So I'm gonna start right in here. I'm gonna take a small one and start it off. And now I'm gonna reach for, this is the 4mm. Push that more up here. So now I'm looking at the space that I have left. I could probably put a 4mm there. So I'm gonna try that one. And look if it's nice. Now, because I have two 4mm, I'll try not to use too many next to each other. So I'll probably either go bigger or smaller. So I'm gonna go smaller and put it right here. Now I have a big gap right here where the glue is still there. I can put a bigger one. So I'm gonna go in with, let's try the 5mm. Now I have a tiny little space right there. That's why I'm gonna go in with the smallest one. That is the 2mm, the SS8. And that's all you do. It's like Tetris. You just put some glue down and you fit whatever can fit there. So I'm gonna speed this video up along so you can just see how the process goes from here, okay? Okay guys, so both of the bows are complete. I'm so happy they came out exactly how I wanted them to look. They're so pretty. Remember I said I wanted to put the bow on the back, right? Which I think, oh my God, that is so pretty. And then I also thought about putting it at the toe. Oh, that's pretty. I can't let it go because it's gonna fall. Oh, hell. I think I'm gonna go with the hill. All right, I gotta make a decision. I'll be back. I'm back. And I made my decision. I just went to go try it on the shoe and I carried the bow. I looked in the mirror and I placed it in both places to see which looks best. So they both look absolutely gorgeous, but I'm gonna go with the toe. And the reason why I'm going with the toe is just lays better on the front of the shoe than the back. So in the back of the shoe, even though I'm in the mirror and I'm holding it, it just, you know, if it can go right here, it just, you saw so much of the other part, you know. So it was just the way it sits much better like this. So I'm gonna hot glue it there. That's my final answer. Okay, I'm about to glue it on. I don't know why this is so nerve-wracking because these are my wedding shoes. So I have to make sure they're correct. Make sure it's a permanent hold because, you know, I don't want to be walking down and then, you know, my bow is left on the aisle and I'm still walking like I'm Cinderella or something like that, like I left behind something. So I think I'm going to put some of that on the side here, the E6000, and then, because I think, let me see, will it touch? Nope, it's not even gonna touch. Good thing I looked. So the only thing that touches the shoe is the middle part. I'm gonna put a little bit of both because I want to make sure that it stays. This is it, guys. All right, I'm gonna put the where I want it. It's on there. Oh my God, that's so pretty. All done. I think these look so pretty. Like, I like pretty things and these look so pretty. The bow, it just looks so feminine. Anything that's sparkling got glitter. I love it. But I love bows and I love flowers. And these bows just make these shoes look so much more prettier. Like, they were sexy, but now they just look so feminine, so girly. I like this. Oh my gosh. So there you have it. The bow, the entire shoe. It's complete now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give my video a thumbs up. Please share with your friends and your family. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you know the next time I upload with the bling. Thank you guys for tuning in to Bling and Ears. Have a blessed day. Bye.